Maintaining a clean filter is essential for your LG ThinQ portable air conditioner's optimal performance and indoor air quality. A clean filter ensures better cooling efficiency, reduces energy costs, improves air quality, and extends your unit's lifespan. Clean your filter every 2 to 4 weeks, or approximately every 250 hours of operation. In dusty environments, clean more frequently. Now let's go through the step-by-step cleaning process. Step 1. Safety first. Turn off the air conditioner, unplug it from the electrical outlet, and wait for the unit to cool down completely. Step 2. Remove the filter. Open the suction grill at the rear of the unit, grasp the filter by its handle or edge, and gently pull it out. Step 3. Clean the filter. For light dust, use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. For heavily soiled filters, wash with warm soapy water, avoiding harsh detergents and dishwashers. Step 4. Rinse and dry. Rinse the filter thoroughly with clean water, then let it air dry completely in the shade. Never reinstall a wet filter, as this can damage your unit. Step 5. Reinstall the filter. Make sure the filter is completely dry, align it properly in the unit, secure it in place, and plug your air conditioner back in. Regular filter cleaning ensures efficient cooling, healthier air quality, lower energy costs, and extends your air conditioner's lifespan. Clean filters are essential for optimal performance. After cleaning your filter, you need to reset the clean filter indicator. This tells your AC that maintenance has been completed and resets the usage timer. The most common method is to press and hold both the temperature up and temperature down buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll know it worked when the clean filter light turns off. Modern LG ThinQ air conditioners also offer smart monitoring through the mobile app. This gives you real-time filter status and maintenance reminders. If the clean filter light stays on after resetting, don't worry. First, try the reset process again. If it still doesn't turn off, there may be a sensor issue, and you should contact LG support. If your air conditioner isn't cooling effectively, a dirty filter is often the primary cause. Always clean the filter first before calling for service. It's the most common and easiest fix. Beyond filter maintenance, periodically clean your unit's coils for optimal performance. Dust and debris on the coils reduce cooling efficiency and increase energy consumption. Regular filter cleaning and coil maintenance will keep your LG ThinQ air conditioner running efficiently, saving energy and extending its lifespan. Smart monitoring through the app makes maintenance even easier.